I feel like I could fit my helmet through here. Oh, I can't fit through here. Hit this little turn. Oh, this guy almost nailed me. Pretty cool spot. All right, everyone. We are gonna go head up into a canyon in Salt Lake, or right outside of Salt Lake City here, and go do some exploring. There's a waterfall that kind of runs part of the year, so I'm hoping that there's water in the waterfall. That would be ideal, but we got to stop and get gas because we are empty right now. And there's the beautiful mountain. Canyon is over on this right side here, and yeah, let's boogie.
That's why we created
$8. Can't beat it. Come on. $8 for a full tank. I mean, give me a reason not to ride a motorcycle, you know? That's winning right there. $7.97. All right. Let's send it. Let's get up into this canyon. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take the scenic route here. We could get on the highway, but that's lame. We're gonna take this little road. It goes up and it takes you kind of like, you could see the whole city. You could kind of see it now, but it takes you a little bit higher. And it's got a little bit of twisties on it, so you can send it a little bit. Man, I love this bike. It is like the perfect in-between bike, you know? Like, not too much of a dirt bike that is uncomfortable to ride on the highway or at high speeds, but at the same time it's nimble enough to go ahead and do some pretty decent off-roading. So that's just my opinion. I have absolutely no off-road experience whatsoever, other than when I got this bike like a couple of months ago. So I am brand new to off-road. Check this out though. I mean, how awesome is that? All right. All right. The one thing I don't love about going up into this canyon is sometimes you get stuck behind some slow people, and it sucks. I mean, how could you not love this state? Look at this. It's perfect. You're in the city, you're in the mountains. It's just a win-win situation around here. At least that's my opinion. Hopefully we can pick up a little bit of speed once we get up into the canyon, because this is giving me a little bit of anxiety. Getting stuck behind all these cars like this is terrible. Protected wash area. So that means no swimming in the creek, because this is the water that we drink. No dogs, no pooping in the water, none of that. Oh my God, I'm gonna get stuck behind the assisted living van. I'm gonna blow my brains out. All right, we're gonna have to get a little bit evasive here because this ain't happening right now. All right, don't look, Mom. There we go. Look at this. Okay, thank you, bud. Yeah. Ooh, give me the cop signal. Where's the fuzz at? Where's the fuzz at? That's good, because I would have just ripped it through here hard, too. Oh, look, there's rock climbers up there. I didn't even know there was a rock climbing wall. Alright, where are the cops? Tell me where the cops are. I love this canyon. This place is sweet. It's got nice little twisty roads. You got to get here at certain times though. If you want to kind of like ride faster here, you do not come during the day. Like you either got to come kind of late at night or you got to come early in the morning. But I mean, that's just the name of the game when you're trying to ride fast on public roads, you know? Which I don't really condone, but, you know, gotta live a little bit. You can't just be poopy pants all the time. You know, you're on a motorcycle. It's like half the fun is kind of riding fast, so I don't know. That's just my opinion. I know someone's probably gonna say something about me not wearing gear, but, you know, it is what it is. It's not like I'm trying to drag a knee on a Tenere right now, but I mean, I would. Given the right circumstances, I would definitely try to drag a knee on this. But, alright. I do not see any cops right now. So, I think those guys were just kind of bullshitting me. Either that or they're hiding really good up here. There's not really anywhere to hide, so I don't know. Look at this. You could totally drag a knee around this turn. Oh, all right. Here we are. Okay. Whew. Almost just fell over. There we go. You know, part of me wants to lower this Tenere, and then part of me is like, it's supposed to be high up. You know what I mean? So it's like, I'm not really sure how I feel about it. If anyone's ever lowered a Tenere, you let me know. I'm only like 5'8", 5'9" on a good day, so it's kind of a pain in the ass sometimes when I can't touch the ground. But for the most part, I'm fine, you know? But man, I love this bike. Anyway, let's go check out this little waterfall, see if it's flowing. Try not to get hit by a car in between all of this. My GoPro will be fine there for a couple minutes, hopefully. All right. Whew. No dogs allowed in canyon. No dogs. Is there any water flowing up there at the waterfall or no? We don't know. Oh, okay. I'll let you know. There's definitely water flowing, that's for sure. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Ooh, there's like a little cave right here. Look at this. It's like some sus stuff going on in here. Oh yeah. There's definitely a bunch of suspicious activity going on in here. Alright. Check that out. The waterfall coming from way up there. Let's get a little bit closer. Hey. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you still taking pictures? My bad. No, you're good. I don't want to be in your picture. No, you're good. I live here. I can come back whenever, you know? It is a pretty cool spot.
Same thing, real short walk.
Yeah.
But it was
Massive.
like volume of water coming down.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's times of year this is too.
Yeah. I've only been here 2 months, but I'm sure this probably fills up a lot. I'm surprised it's still flowing, honestly. All right. You need help? You got it?
Oh, I'm good. Thank
Okay,
you.
you're welcome. All right. Got the waterfall all to myself. Check that out. It's pretty amazing. This just runs year round, you know? It's not very big, but I'm sure in the wintertime this thing is just like pouring water out, you know? But anyway, well, that's our close little waterfall. Let's go ahead and get back on the bike and hopefully avoid the police if we can, because I know they love pulling people over in this canyon. You know, I know they say curiosity killed the cat, but I feel like I could fit my helmet through here. Oh, I can't fit through here. Ooh, I'm in. We're in. Oh, dude, I probably shouldn't be in here, but let's turn this light on. There we go. I feel like I'm gonna smack my head, but it's a good thing I got a helmet on, you know? I'm not sure how much you guys can see on this camera. I can't see. Oh, it just ends. That's lame. I thought there was gonna be like a cool adventure or something. That's kind of whack. Ow, that's a good thing I'm wearing a helmet. Son of a bitch. All right, let's get out of here before I get myself a ticket. Alright, look, this is like made for my big helmet right here. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's get back on the bike. Alright, there she is. Hopefully no one stole my GoPro. Sitting on my bike. See? I love Utah. You could just leave your stuff out, you know? I'm sure I'll probably get caught one day. Someone will steal something from me and then I'll change my mind, but, you know, you live and learn. No way. I've got an oil leak. This is crazy. Ain't no way. That's wild. I've got like, I don't know how many miles. I don't even have like 6,000 miles left. 2,400 miles? Ain't no way I got an oil leak already. That's wild. I'll manage. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna just hightail it home, but well, I know what I'm doing when I get home. I'm calling Yamaha and I'm gonna be like, what the hell? What is this? You know? Alright guys, well, I'm just about home. I'm not gonna show you guys where I live, but yeah, I'm still in total disbelief that my gasket on my clutch is just leaking. But anyway guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, and yeah, don't do anything I wouldn't do.